Uline's low-profile floor scales are perfect for accurate weighing of loaded pallets, drums, barrels, or other large items. With various sizes up to 5 by 7 feet, you can set the scale height to as low as 4 inches or as high as 6 inches. With capacities up to 20,000 pounds, most of Uline's low-profile floor scales are designed to accurately handle your heaviest loads within 1 to 2 pounds. They feature a diamond tread surface to prevent slipping. Low-profile floor scales are NTEP approved to ensure they are viable for commercial trade. Low-profile floor scales are available in stainless steel, which are corrosion-resistant and ideal for washdown environments or used with food, chemicals, and pharmaceuticals. Also, all-weather low-profile floor scales are water-resistant for recycling, landscaping, and outdoor receiving areas. Low-profile floor scales weigh in pounds and kilograms, and the scales can read out piece counts. The weigh indicator includes an easy-to-read display with a 15-foot cable and mounting bracket. Uline's low-profile floor scales are covered by a 1-year warranty and offer free shipping in the contiguous United States. Optional bump guards, ramps, and printers are available and easy to install. Be sure to shop now, watch more, and subscribe.